Alright, hackathon, let's do this. Okay, so I made a password game. It is pretty simple. It's got all these series of rows that have various randomly generated numbers that I translated into letters, and the colors are all obviously random as well. Some of them are a little hard to see. I probably could clean that up a little bit, but I didn't bother to. The goal is to get all 10 correct, and it doesn't tell you which ones are correct though, so you have to figure that out yourself. So it has a tracker up here that tracks it. It lets you know, I guess, how many you got correct. So I'm going to hit it once, and you'll see the color will change, and it'll tell us if any of these are correct, just to give us a starting point. So 2 of these are correct. Every time you click this, it counts against your score, which I'm not showing, but it's something that will be revealed at the end. I didn't snap these into place, so you actually have to get it on the bar, which I guess is a little maybe annoying, but I figured whatever. I could do that later if I needed to. So now I've made one adjustment. Now if I hit it again, it didn't change. So therefore I know this one is still not right. The other 2 are somewhere else in here. So now I hit it again. Nothing. There's probably a better strategy for this. I'm just showing you in general how it works. So now I have it. It's there. I could still move it because I'm not telling them where it is. I originally had it where as soon as you got one right, it locked that one in. But I didn't like it because if you hit decode right at the very start, then it basically locked in ones that were already there, and I thought that was a little lame. So whatever. So I'm going to change that. Oh, it went down, so that one must have been right. Also, obviously, these letters don't really mean anything. I mean, they mean something. Basically, it means that this one's L, which is whatever number of the alphabet that is, but it doesn't mean anything towards solving this. I don't think that one was right. Okay. I mean, obviously, I could have just done colored circles, but I thought putting a letter or something just made it a little more meaningful, I guess. Nope, that's this one. So I guess when you get it at the end, you know that's the one, so you can move on. Save yourself a point. And obviously, it's not a very fun game, but whatever. I just wanted to. I was trying to think of something to do, and this is what came to my mind, and so I made it. Oh, obviously, yeah, I don't know if you saw that, but see, if I put it on the edge like this, and then I click decode, and it's correct, it'll actually snap it into place. Oh, so that one was actually correct. So here, watch this. See how it's like barely on the edge? If I put it in decode, it's actually, oh, I gotta put it closer, more inside of it, because it actually has to contain it. But if I do that, it's actually gonna snap it in. But I didn't have it snap these, which is probably stupid. So I probably should have done that, but you'll see at the end that part doesn't matter as much. Oh my goodness. Okay, which one's I on? This one I have no idea. Maybe, probably 7. Don't mind me, I've had allergies all day. Refusing to take a Claritin. Oh, 9. Oh, goodness. Okay, you'll see how these are all wonky. It won't matter as much at the end because I changed the color. Make them a little less. Oh, golly. A little less noticeable. Also, look down here. Notice that the color, when I hold it, see how the colors change. I think you actually have to let go of it on it, but maybe not. I don't know if it counts it. There you go. Yeah, you do have to let go of it on it. Obviously, it says you decode the password in 25 moves. So I got rid of the other ones. I mean, they're still there, but they're reds. They're hard to tell. Whereas these ones are very much so light up. So in theory, that's the password. It doesn't mean anything. Maybe if it was a more meaningful game, every single possibility would mean something. But yeah, no one's doing that. You can no longer hit this anymore to adjust this. That was originally doing it. I could have made a retry button, but I didn't. And that's about it. I thought about making it where you could pick a difficulty or choose how many characters you want in the password, but I was feeling lazy, so I didn't do that. I struggle most with the math, I guess, of setting all these up, so I set them up a bit more structured, I guess. Whereas if I do it's the window width divided by 2 times 2/5 or something like that. For some reason, I was having issues with that, so that's why I just kind of, for more or less, these are hard coded. They do have some of those in there. Like I usually use the window width divided by 2 and all those, but then I'll do like plus or minus whatever X value makes it actually do whatever it needs to do. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, thanks for the experience. It was fun. It got me off my butt programming. Hopefully next time I'll have a better idea of what I want to do. This is very last minute. I just thought of it, but it was a fun challenge. I enjoyed it, and it's cool making stuff. So I appreciate it. Hope yours is pretty cool too. See ya.